Hi, champions! Today, I'll teach you how to dribble a basketball like a pro, even if you've never played before. The goal is to learn, play, and grow strong together. So let's welcome our coach.
What is dribbling?
Dribbling is what helps you move the ball while you move your body. It's how players run, pass, and score in basketball. Without dribbling, you can't move. So it's one of the first skills every basketball player must learn.
Okay, first things first. Let's get into the dribbling position. Stand with your feet apart, shoulder width. Bend your knees slightly, like this. Keep your back straight and eyes forward.
Don't look at the ball. Your eyes need to see the court, and your hands will learn to feel the ball. Let's practice that stance together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Now, let's learn how to bounce the ball the right way. Use your fingertips, not your palm. Push the ball down gently and let it bounce back up to about your waist height. Keep your hand on top of the ball. Never slap it or hit it hard. Once you're comfy, try with your other hand. Good! You're already getting better.
Stationary dribble. Dribble 10 times with your right hand, then 10 with your left. Walk and dribble. Now, take small steps while dribbling. Eyes up, back straight. Around the body drill. Try bouncing once, then moving the ball around your waist.
Can you dribble for 20 seconds without looking at the ball?
You've just learned the basics of dribbling. Great job, team!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Marcle sports team for more fun sports lessons every week.